to show you guys how to remove this sunglass holder up here. And this car came with Homelink mirror, but a lot of you guys are asking how to upgrade to a Homelink mirror. So let's say you had the basic mirror on here, you want to upgrade to Homelink. It's a T15 little screw right here. It's counterclockwise. You unscrew this little T15. This mirror slides forward and comes off its base. So if you have a basic mirror, take it off. This is the Homelink mirror. It already came with the car, but I'm going to take it off. I'm going to show you guys how to take it off. Essentially, take your old one off, same design, put the Homelink mirror in. I'll show you guys where it plugs in and all. So first things first, you got to remove this guy. There's some Phillips screws up in here. Once you drop down this and these are specific screws, these little black looking things. And then just pull down. Like that. See, simple, how simple that is. Now here's this wire right here. Let me take this out of the way. Unplug. This big one runs pretty much this whole light setup, door, this whole pocket. This is also for sale. But your mirror, there's a plug right here. It'll be wrapped up with foam. This is your Homelink plug. All your Subarus have it. The new ones have it. Old ones should have it too. They're all pre-wired in. Put the Homelink mirror in, install it. The wires, as you can see, I'll pull these covers off. Give you guys an idea. This wire, there's a little spot right through here. You can just see this clip in the middle. You pull this clip out. There's a plug for your Homelink mirror, and you're wondering how to get it up there. If you pull this pin out, this interior clip, you can get around here and just sneak the Homelink wire and catch it with your fingers on the other end. That's it. Then plug it into here and then put the cover back on. That's how you get that's how you upgrade your Homelink mirror. There's not much more to it. I don't have a T15 with me, or else I'd unscrew it and take this thing out. If you buy a Homelink mirror from us or anybody else, make sure you ask for the cable. This cable, sometimes this cable right here. Sometimes the wrecking yards don't save it. They sell you the mirror, then you're stuck trying to find this, which is almost impossible to find. So make sure when you buy a Homelink mirror, you get the wiring with it, or else you're going to be crying, how come I can't get my Homelink mirror to work, or I can't find the harness for it. So we sell it complete. Give us a buzz. I'll get it later, pull that off.